Welcome back, friends, to part 2 of our tutorial. In this section we are going to embroider our flower using these beautiful small light pink rhinestones. First, apply your lock to secure the thread. Now start binding the rhinestones chain using neat zigzag stitches. Don't worry if it feels a little bit tricky at first, it takes a little patience. But you'll definitely get the hang of it as you go. Once you reach the end, carefully cut the Essex chain and secure your embroidery tightly. Next, we are switching to our pink thread. We are going to counter the outer part of our pomegranate using a smooth satin stitch. Just follow the outline carefully. When you finish this side, simply repeat the exact same process on the second half of the flower.